Amoxicillin/clavulanic acid, also known as Augmentin Es-600, is a combination penicillin-type antibiotic used to treat a wide variety of bacterial infections. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infections and will not work for viral infections, such as the common cold or flu. Using any antibiotic when it is not needed can cause it to not work for future infections. The dosage of Augmentin Es-600 is typically prescribed by a doctor based on the specific infection being treated. It is usually taken 2 to 3 times a day, with or without food. It's important to take the medication at the same times each day to maintain a consistent level of the drug in your body. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions and complete the full course of treatment, even if you start to feel better. Augmentin Es-600 is best taken at evenly spaced intervals to keep a constant level of the medication in your body. This will help to ensure that it is effective in fighting off the bacterial infection. Remember to take it at the same times each day and do not skip doses. If you have any questions about the best timing for taking Augmentin Es-600, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Make sure to shake the bottle well before taking the medication. Use a special measuring device or spoon to carefully measure the dose. Do not use a regular household spoon because it may not give you the correct dose. The medication should be taken with a meal or snack as directed by your doctor. Depending on your specific product, this medication is usually taken every 8 or 12 hours. The dosage of Augmentin Es-600 is based on your age, weight, medical condition, and how you respond to treatment. To get the best results, take this antibiotic at the same times every day. This will help you remember to take it. It's important to continue taking this medication until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if your symptoms improve after a few days. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to return. If your condition lasts or gets worse, be sure to tell your doctor. If you experience diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting while taking Augmentin Es-600, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. Taking this medication with food can help reduce stomach upset. It's essential to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to inform your doctor immediately if you notice any signs of liver disease, such as persistent nausea or vomiting, loss of appetite, abdominal pain, yellowing of the eyes or skin, or dark urine. Augmentin Es-600 may rarely cause a severe intestinal condition due to a bacteria called C. difficile. If you experience persistent diarrhea, abdominal pain, or blood in your stool, it's important to contact your doctor right away. Prolonged or repeated use of this medication may lead to oral thrush or a new yeast infection. If you notice white patches in your mouth or a change in vaginal discharge, it's important to contact your doctor. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as a fever that doesn't go away, new or worsening lymph node swelling, rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Amoxicillin, the medication in Augmentin Es-600, can commonly cause a mild rash. However, if you develop any rash, it's important to seek medical help right away to determine if it could be a sign of a severe allergic reaction. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed here. If you have concerns about side effects, be sure to discuss them with your healthcare provider. Before taking Augmentin Es-600, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, penicillin, cephalosporin antibiotics, or any other allergies. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. Prior to using this medication, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have liver disease, kidney disease, or a certain type of viral infection, infectious mononucleosis. It's also important to note that this medication may contain aspartame. If you have phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid aspartame, it's essential to discuss with your doctor or pharmacist about using this medication safely. Before undergoing surgery, it's crucial to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Moreover, Augmentin Es-600 may affect the effectiveness of live bacterial vaccines, such as the typhoid vaccine. Therefore, it's important to let your healthcare professional know that you are using this medication before receiving any immunizations or vaccinations. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the potential risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, this medication passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using Augmentin Es-600. When taking Augmentin Es-600, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. One product that may interact with Augmentin Es-600 is methotrexate. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, such as certain urine glucose tests, which could potentially cause false test results. It's important to make sure that lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you are using this medication. If you or someone you know has taken too much Augmentin Es-600 and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, it's important to call for emergency medical help immediately. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include persistent diarrhea, severe vomiting, or changes in the amount of urine. Remember, it's important not to share this medication with others. This medication has been prescribed specifically for your current condition, so it's important not to use it later for another infection unless your doctor tells you to. If you are on long-term treatment, your doctor may want you to have regular lab and/or medical tests, such as kidney/liver function and complete blood counts. Be sure to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose of Augmentin Es-600, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to keep the Augmentin Es-600 suspension refrigerated. Depending on the brand, the unused portion should be discarded after 7 or 10 days. Make sure to check with your pharmacist to know exactly how long you can store it before discarding. Remember to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to proper disposal, do not flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to discard the product and it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper way to dispose of it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.